Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your locket easily. First, let's get ready. You will need a couple of small tools like needle nose pliers or even sturdy tweezers. Find a bright, steady spot to work, perhaps on a table with good lighting. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process for detaching your cherished locket from its chain. Now, let's open that jump ring. Use one pair of pliers to hold one side of the ring steady and the second pair to gently twist the other side. Remember, twist the ends away from each other, like opening a gate, rather than pulling them straight apart. This technique prevents distorting the ring's perfect circular shape, making reassembly much simpler later on. With the jump ring slightly open, you can now carefully slide your locket off the chain. Take your time to ensure it doesn't slip or fall. Once removed, immediately place your locket in a secure, soft pouch or a small dish to prevent it from getting lost or scratched. Keep the chains separate to avoid any tangles, especially if it's a delicate design. Finally, let's close that jump ring. Using your two pairs of pliers, gently twist the ends back towards each other until they meet perfectly. Run your finger over the closure to ensure there are no tiny gaps where the chain could slip out. Proper closure is key for security. Now, store your locket and chain in a way that keeps them safe and ready for their next wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.